Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are making a DIY soap. This moisturizing soap will lavish your whole body. It will fade dark marks and control acne from head to toe. It's great for your face, your back, your neck, your chest. The ingredients in this soap have been known to be great for fading dark marks, acne-prone skin, eczema, razor bumps, scares, underarm, bikini line, and irritated skin. It has a mild eucalyptic scent with it. So the ingredients we're going to be using for this turmeric soap is turmeric, of course, and the base will be the goat milk soap base. And I'm going to use an essence oil, which is eucalyptic oil. You can use any one of your choice. Also, we're going to be using glycerin and rose water to lock in more moisture. It's a very simple process. So what I'm doing here is the double boiling method. I cut the soap into the size which I want it to be, and then I place it in the hot boiling water pot, which is the double boiling. So I'm going to allow it to melt. So while I'm waiting for it to melt, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the other ingredient, which is 2 tablespoons of turmeric. You could use 1 tablespoon, it's up to you. And I'm going to be mixing it with, I'm going to be adding the glycerin and rose water, because if I add the directly to the goat milk, it takes a while to melt. So when I kind of crumble it down with this, with the spatula, it's easier to combine with the goat milk. So that's just what I'm doing here. It's a very, very simple process, guys. You know turmeric will brighten your skin. Turmeric has a lot of health benefit and also skin care benefits. So when you try this, especially the way it's organic, it's homemade, it's yours, you know the ingredients in this soap, you know, it will really help you, especially, you know, if you have this fading mark in your face, you know, or your face is kind of acne prone, inflammation and all that, this is your go-to soap. You don't need to go to the store to buy any chemical. I normally react to soaps when I buy soap. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the chemical. I can't pinpoint which exactly. But, you know, sometimes I just wash my face with just water or olive oil and I'm good to go. But since I started using this soap, it's been really doing a lot. Even for my children's skin also, it's been great for their skin. All right, now we're done. The goat milk has already melted. So now I'm just pouring the turmeric mix, the powder, into the goat milk. So I'm going to mix it properly to combine. If you want to use your immersion blender, that's fine if you want to, but you don't really have to. I'm doing this way so you know that you don't need any machine or whatsoever for this, okay? So that's what we're doing now. You're going to make sure you have your soap mold. If you do not have a soap mold, if you have a silicone mold that you use for your cupcakes and all that, you can also use that. You don't have to go out of your way to do this. You can use whatever it is you have at hand. If you want to know where you can get all those soap molds and silicone mold, you can get it in the Amazon store or in Michael's. Michael's is where I shop for my DIY stuff mostly. So the reason I'm transferring it into this cup is because when I pour from the plate, it might pour over the table there. But then I wanted to make sure it goes directly into the mold. So I'm adding my eucalyptic oil. You can add any kind of essential oil that you like. It's your choice. If you don't want at all, you can totally skip it. I mean, it's okay. I like some, you know, oil scents in my soap. So this is the mold I'm using. This will take like 4 soaps. I don't think this is gonna be enough, but anyways, so I have 2 of this, which is like 8. So I'm pouring it, making sure I don't overfill it, and I'm trying to get the same size for all of them. As you can see, this is the second mold tray. So I'm pouring in, I'm kind of pouring in halfway in this one because it was almost running out. So I was able to get 7 molds instead of 8, but that's still fine. So from this now, what we're going to do is going to let it cool. Some people like to leave theirs room temperature to cool, but you know, I have kids around, so I don't want them bumping into stuff. So I just put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes. 30 minutes is enough. You know, if you want to put it in the freezer, 10 minutes is enough, so you can be able to bring it out, except if you're using a silicone mold, which is easier to bring out. Okay, so basically that's what I'm doing. As you can see closer, you'll see some little bubbles. Yeah, all you have to do is just spray it with water and the bubbles will just close up immediately. So after this, now we just gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes, and this is it, guys. It's out of the fridge. Look at how beautiful that golden color. The glycerin and the rose water in it, I mean, it helps to revive dull skins and softens your skin for exfoliation. So now I'm going to try it out for you guys to see how foamy and how amazing it is on the face. So I'm washing my face. Guys, you really need to try this. I'm so proud of myself that I'm trying my best to make things that I put on my body, even in my stomach myself. It's very, very necessary. So you see, I washed my face, run it with cold water, and I'm drying it out right now. It feels so soft, guys. I wish you could touch it. It feels so soft. Go ahead and make yours and let me know how it feels. Bye.